Very happy to see you in my YouTube channel daily Sana with the new gadgets, appliances and inexpensive hacks for the kitchens. Really, all these gadgets can make your life more easier. For everyone who wants to order these tools, I advise you to download the application on the phone, and in the search box you can write the things you want, such as drawer organizer for example. And the application will suggest to you all the existing gadgets with price. It's really simple and easy. This mini gadget will fit for any small appliance. I ordered them from Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress. Every kitchen needs this wonderful peeler to peel vegetables and fruits quickly and without danger to the hand. To peel and cut fruits, I suggest this wonderful set that will save you a lot of time. Please, if you need link of any gadget, show me that in comments, and don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets. We often need help to open glass bottles, so I suggest this simple gadget that you can find at Amazon. It helps to open all sizes of bottles, really necessary in all kitchens. This small gadget is necessary in every kitchen. It is a small plastic strainer that can be applied to all sizes. It is also easy to clean and does not take up much space inside the kitchen. A clothes holder in a new shape and a small size that is also suitable for travel. Zip slicer. This is a solution for wrapping your cherry tomatoes or grapes fast. What do you think? And to collect food quickly and tastefully, I suggest a silicone spoon in a different shapes and small size that fits small kitchens. If you suffer from a large number of holes in the wall, and of course this is annoying, I suggest this wonderful gadget as you can install anything in the wall without holes. To get a ball of dough with the same shapes and size, I suggest this wonderful dough press. We all need this organizer at home, as you can install anything in the wall without holes. What do you think about? This is multifunction bag for mothers, where you can use it as bag or bed, as well as it contains multiple pockets to organize the baby's supplies. This small gadget helps organize kitchen towels as well as cleaning supplies. This small gadget helps to organize kitchen towels as well as cleaning utensils and can be installed easily without holes in the wall. For anyone who suffers from the problem of tissue paper or hair in clothes during washing, I suggest this simple machine that collects all the dirt inside and keeps the laundry clean. A set of tools that every woman needs to clean makeup tools such as brushes or sponges. A set of wonderful organizers in transparent colors to organize the kitchen in a practical way and make use of all the wasted spaces inside drawers. This extendable dish rack in a beautiful color as well as great division for placing a lot of utensils with the ability to empty the water easily. This is a storage turnable from IKEA. One way of using it is instead to train to find the seasoning you want. Really, this smart gadget is so important for any kitchen. What do you think? For anyone who doesn't have an electric grate, I recommend this practical machine for grating meat. This is a mixer for making pancakes where you can place the ingredients inside and empty the dough easily inside the fryer. Among the necessary things in the kitchen is this machine for making healthy breakfast meals, and I suggest this wonderful machine that is divided into two parts to save time as well as cooking quickly, and it is also easy to wash. To mix a bottle of peanut butter, I suggest this gadget, which you will find at Amazon. I like share with you a simple and effective tools at home, such as these small cans that can be placed on plates and served with sauce inside, without the risk of spilling the sauce on the clothes. Really, I like it. What do you think about? This is the silicone dish for making popcorn, as it can be opened when used, and put corn inside with a little oil and put it in the oven for 2 minutes until we get delicious popcorn easily. All of these tools are important in every home, helping to organize as well as saving time and great comfort, such as this holder for the computer, which provides comfort during its use, or this organizer for electrical wires, and also this organizer for bottles, a really wonderful thing that are found at AliExpress or Amazon. I suggest this gadget, which can be installed without holes. It can be used as an organizer for cleaning tools or as a holder for kitchen paper. A set of all shapes and sizes for cooking in the oven. Which impressed me the most is that it's easy to store and saves all of space. Bamboo cutting board with 2 silicone trays to put food inside when finished. I like it very much, and it can also be used as a plate to serve food. You will find all these gadgets and appliances at AliExpress, IKEA or Amazon. They are great things that help to organize and facilitate daily life.